Yo, what's going on, you guys? Alan White here. Welcome to a new vlog. So I don't usually do these. I usually am on the Pitty. The Pitty. I'm not actually using a tripod either. Look at the Pitty. Either way, I gotta go get a hat from my office. And you're probably like, what the heck is he? Oh gosh. Okay. Gotta cut on the lights. Lights. Give me. Alright, we're wearing this hat. Oh, my hand. Look at that halo mask. Is that not like the coolest thing ever? Like, look at that reflection. Yo, what up? Anyways, also, if you haven't seen, give me a second. Give me a light. I need a light. What the heck? There it is. Okay, so basically what I've done, look at this. I've got it organized. I got like, kind of like supplies and my SD cards in here, you know. And then we got some Xbox game stuff, cords, like mics, that kind of stuff. And then we got lights, cord hiders, kind of things like that, that I don't actually use. Yikes. But anyways, that's that. So if you're wondering why I'm wearing a bandana, it's because I cover my face when I cut grass, because I get I'm super allergic to grass, but I still have to cut it. My parents love me. But yeah, I really want to ride this though. But we gotta go cut grass. So let's go get some water, and then I'm gonna hop on the lawnmower. We got a new cat. Meow meow. Come here, man. Come here, bruh.
Here,
Vivian, you scared it away.
Are you kidding me?
Oh my word. You scared the cat away. But you know what? We have another cat. Questy! Hey, Questy. Oh, Questy, don't run. No, Questy, not like this. All right, back on the mission. We need some water. Hacha! Oh, it's falling apart. That's... What? Why are all the labels falling off? I mean, not that it matters, but, you know, I'm perfect like that. Here's someone else cutting grass in the fields. This is competition. Only I can cut grass. Because you know what? We got a 0 turn. Whoa, what the crap is that? Yo, chicken, what you doing, bruh? Get off my property. It's my barn. Get off my land. I think that's Jake Quillen. Let me go see. Jake Quillen, come here. Come here, Jake Quillen. Jake Quillen. Watch, if you chase him. Yeah. Jake Quillen. Jake Quillen. Come here. Jake Quillen. We're going to hop on the lawnmower and suffer the heat. It's like 90-something degrees. Alright guys, we're about to head to my boss's house. We're going to go ride the little dirt bikes and the four-wheeler. I'll probably be riding the four-wheeler, and then Jeremy will be riding the dirt bike. We'll kind of switch back and forth, but either way, they're back, so let's go see them. Alright guys, so we just made it to the place, and right now we're going to go pull out the dirt bikes and four-wheeler as soon as Jeremy gets here, but we are waiting on him. He is not here yet. James, what's up, bro? Jeremy Gray. So basically right now we're about to have a race with the little bikes now that they're working. Yay! Hopefully this will go well. Who's riding what? What do you want first? Alright guys, so I have chosen my fate. I have chose big baby four-wheeler. It is a Suzuki. There you go, a Z50. This thing, it's pretty fast, but compared to this bad boy, the Yamaha TTR50, this thing destroys. So what we're going to do is you are going to have a cap limit of second gear, maybe. You might just stay in first, and then I have full power, so we'll see how this goes.